I've noticed a very interesting contrast. So we have seen a steady increase in the rate at which women are willing to be intimate with other men or women, while we see a steady decline in women just simply being willing to do, let me just say, wifely duties for their partners, right? And why I say it's interesting is because I would believe that you being intimate, you reproducing with someone would take uh, more precedence. It would be more something that requires more of you to do than it is to simply, let's say, for example, make a plate for someone, right? So I would really like to hear the point of view or the mindset that females like that have, to where they would have a child with a man at the drop of a hat, but it is next to impossible for them to simply get up and make a plate for that same man. It is, as I said, it's very fascinating to me, and I've noticed the contrast, and I'm just sharing my thoughts as usual. So let me know in the comment section, and Happy New Year!